I'm Ellen and I was diagnosed with JIA at 18 months old, so I've been living with the ups and downs of arthritis my whole life.
My name's Kim and I've had arthritis since my sort of very early 20s, following an accident with my back, and it's been with me ever since.
My arthritis affects, at the moment, my lower back and my hips quite badly.
So I have osteoarthritis that affects my spine, my hands, my wrists, my feet and various other parts of me.
There might be an activity that you want to do in the garden, but you know that maybe you can only manage it for 15-20 minutes before your body gets tired or achy.
It makes it harder for me to spend time in the outside because I feel the pain more and it's more aggravating.
I always say that arthritis is a bit of a juggling act between what your body can manage at the time and how much of it can manage without needing to rest. And both sitting and standing, I need to kind of juggle to make sure I've got the right amount of both.
I've developed a real passion for gardening over the last 30 or so years that I've had a garden, and I can be a little bit obsessive about it. And so again, the arthritis can make that difficult because you want to be out here doing things and you want to be doing stuff sometimes that you can't do. And that's really frustrating for someone like me who's independent, having to wait for someone else to come along who can dig a hole for me or lift something for me. So yes, it can be tough.
I enjoy being in the garden a lot. I think just being outside is really helpful, I think, for my arthritis, for just my health in general. Like just being outside is always a really positive experience, and yeah, I try and do it as often as possible.
Things like digging are really quite difficult for me because it's the physical effort of doing that, and also the sort of the bending and the twisting, you know, it all aggravates.
The Kikka Digga is very easy to attach, so it just comes in two parts, and you just have to pop these together, tighten a few screws, which obviously sounds like it might be difficult for someone with arthritis, especially if it's in your hands, but as the screws are so big, it means that they're nice and easy to turn, super easy to attach, and you're pretty much good to go in seconds.
The Kikka Digga, what I really like about it is it's a really simple, well-made tool that you can attach to your own existing gardening equipment. So you put it on your own spade or fork or whatever, and once it's on and you've kind of got the hang of it, it's brilliant because you're just using much less effort to dig, so you can actually do more. So it gives you extra strength. It's like having, you know, another person behind you almost helping you to dig at the same time. So I think it's great.